Double, bring that heat, boy.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to Sauna's Lifestyle. As you guys can see today, we got another 3M box. You know what that means, right? What we doing today? So I got my wife here with me as well. She don't want to be on the camera. I don't know why, but anyways, she's here with me. She's gonna unveil this. This is for her. If you haven't yet, what they need to go ahead and do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment. But as you guys can see, we have another item here for my wife's Jeep. So she's gonna go ahead and open it up. Slowly. We're gonna unveil what's in this box. So as you guys can see while she's cracking this open, I'll go ahead and open it this side. We got some wrap here, right? So what that means is we're gonna wrap the, I'm gonna take the third gen. I just wrapped the third gen. But we're gonna wrap the Jeep. Now we're not gonna wrap the entire truck, but we're gonna wrap parts of it. So, whoa. Can they see it? Can you see it?
This is one color.
No, it's multiple colors in there. I see the other color.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna take one out at a time. We're gonna move it over here.
That's one.
Whoa. Hey, we're not sponsored by no means, but we have 3M right here. Metrostyling.com is who ships over here. And they ship USPS through your USPS mail. All right, hold on. What's the first one we take out?
This one, the big one.
All right, so we're gonna take the big one out, right? So we're gonna take this color out right here. I'm gonna slide the sleeve to you. This is the first color we got right here, right? So I said first color, that means we're gonna do a multi-color on my wife's Jeep, right? So we have, you gotta turn this way. So this is your, what would you call this? Like a primered gray or a, what do they call it?
I can't remember.
Stealth gray.
I think it said like a ship gray.
Like a ship gray, like a navy.
The battleship.
Battleship gray. That's what it's called, battleship gray. So that's your first color that we're going with. I'm gonna go ahead and push it to you. You can put it down on the side. You can lay down. You can lay down.
Well, here, you want to put it back away?
Yeah, we can put that back away. Actually, yeah, let's do that.
Satin, right?
Yeah, it's a satin color, but it's battleship gray. So this is one color that we're doing. So as you guys can see, we got multiple colors that we're gonna throw on this Jeep.
Did they say
The next color right here is
satin black?
your satin black. So it's got a little dust on it, but this is your satin black right here, all 3M product. So this is another part of the wrap that we plan on doing. All right. And then the, is this the final color?
Yeah.
Oh, girl, don't show too much yet. The final color. What do you guys think we're going with? What you think they're gonna know? No?
No?
No. This is the final color we're going with right here. So my wife decided to pick this color. So it's got a little bit of red specks in it. Black. It's got some of the gray in it. Actually, it's a different type of gray, right? It is a different type of gray.
That's all right.
So it's cool. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. We have an idea of design, what we're going to do with this. But as you guys can see, the red specks, what you plan on doing with the wheels? You plan on doing anything with the wheels at all?
No, right
We ain't
now.
going to tell them yet, right? No? All right. So even though it's got red specks in it, doesn't mean we're going to go all red on the rims. But we do have a plan on what we're going to do with the wheels to make it match. So this is going to be another project. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have my wife in the video this time. And she is, you see that thumbs up, right? I don't know if you can see the thumbs up, but she's going to help me out with this. So this is her Jeep. This is her project. This is something she wanted to do for the springtime. Moving forward to the summertime. But we have multi-colors here. As we have the, is this camouflage or what is it? Digital camouflage?
Like, yeah.
Like a digital camouflage. And then we have a satin black. And then we have our battleship gray. All right, so her truck is all white gloss. So that's gonna be the base of the color. But overall, I think it's gonna come out pretty good. What we have planned and in store. So what do you think? Do we have to cut some pieces, or what we're gonna do?
Yeah, we have to cut pieces.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like the colors?
Mm-hmm.
You like what they sent you?
Yeah, but I feel like I didn't order this much gray.
That's a lot of
That's
gray.
a lot of gray.
That's a lot of gray.
I think that
No,
ordered
they
more
should be
black.
more black, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they just put it on the spool. So, yeah, she thought she ordered more black, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe they just put more on the spool because this looks pretty. It almost looks the same as this, maybe. Maybe it's more. I don't know. It's probably the way they shipped it. But yeah, man. So we do have a project coming for the Jeep. We may start on it this weekend. Who knows? I got the 3rd gen still coming that we have to do on the 3rd gen. I'm dropping it off on Thursday to get the lowering springs done, put on it, and the lowering springs for the front. The back, I'm doing air shocks. The air shocks I'm gonna put on myself. The lowering springs on the front, I'm having RH Turner down in Brandon. They're gonna hook me up for it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the address down below. So if you guys need any auto work when it comes to mechanical type stuff, they can hook you up, man. Speak to Bob down there. He's the owner of the shop and pretty good mate. That's what they say here in the UK, right? So as you guys know, we're Americans living overseas right now in the UK. And at the end of the day, man, we have a love for cars, me and the wife. So if you don't have a wife, get you a wife that loves cars, right? Because it's easy to spend money on cars.
So she'll spend the same amount.
She'll spend, yeah, you're right. Say it again.
She'll spend the same amount.
There you go. All right. So what are you looking at? You're looking at it kind of crazy.
I'm not. The gray ain't gonna go.
Yeah, but it's different.
Mm-hmm.
We can use this as a base. No?
I don't know.
What do you want to do? Start off with this and just do this? These two?
I think these two.
These two, and then figure this piece out later?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because this match for sure. 100%.
Or if I can return it and get a different color.
I don't think you return it.
I think.
I don't know. Anyways, we're doing gibberish talk right now. So, I don't know. This gray, she's saying doesn't match this gray. So right now we're looking at just this color and this color. We might have to go back to the drawing table, figure out this battleship gray, because the battleship gray doesn't match the gray that she has right here with this digital camo. We'll figure it out though. So we may have to contact Metro Styling. But like I said, man, no means at all, man. We are not getting sponsored by Metro Styling, but Metro Styling has came through plenty of times for all the wraps that I've done when it comes to the XJ40, the Camaro, and now possibly the Jeep. Not possibly, we are doing the Jeep for sure. But overall, things are gonna come out pretty good. So, there's anything in the box? Nope. So, yeah. Do you have anything to say? No.
We need a different gray.
A different gray?
Yeah.
I think the wife's a little upset because she spent money on this gray and ain't the gray she wanted. We'll figure it out though. So yeah, man, we just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys, showing you guys the 3M product that we use. And like I said, by no means I'm not a professional at rapping, but I like to dibble dabble a little bit and try things out and figure out how I can do stuff. We have an idea how we're gonna do this rap with these two for sure. You guys just gotta stay tuned, right? You gotta stay tuned? Mm-hmm. Tuned in to what? Saunders Lifestyle, man. Saunders Lifestyle when it comes to the car. So it's crazy, man, because we were just talking about traveling and everything else we haven't done, man. So, you know, I say Saunders Lifestyle is a lot of stuff that we do, man. Is cars, traveling, and just spending time with the family. And lately we haven't been able to travel because of COVID. But it's all right, man. When that time comes around, I'm gonna show you guys how we travel, because we definitely get around and we go to different locations. When I say different locations, different countries. We like to hit a lot of sunset, beachside locations. What's your favorite spot?
Spain.
Spain. Where at in Spain? I said favorite. You gave like 4 different locations.
They're all my favorite. You have Greece, Crete because of the food. You have Italy because of the food, the location. You have Spain because of the beaches. I mean, I feel like any location you can go wrong. Austria, you have.
But what's your favorite place we've been to so far?
That's hard.
And we've been to almost 40 different countries, so.
You have. Me and the boys have been in 25.
25, yeah. So I've been all over the world. But anyway, what's your best place?
It's hard. I can't put one. Living obviously is Italy. visiting, traveling, Menorca, Spain was amazing. Austria was amazing. I don't know.
Yeah, so when we lived in Italy, we were able to drive to Austria 2 hours, Slovenia 2 hours, Croatia 2 hours, and you can get to a different country, man, which is really nice. And you lived on mainland, what they call it, mainland?
Lived on the mainland.
On the mainland, so where you can travel. You can actually get in your car and drive. So right now, we're living in the UK, and you can't do that at all. You have to get on the channel, but like I said, with COVID going on, man, it's kind of hard to get around. But at the end of the day, man, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy what we got going on so far. And whenever the travel comes, we definitely will travel. So in the meantime, though, we're gonna go ahead and do this car stuff. Yeah. So the wife's Jeep is about to look fresh. And as I told you guys before, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the Saunders Lifestyle, because at the end of the day, man, I like to do different things with my cars. The wife's cars as well.
There's too many white Jeeps on base.
There's too many white Jeeps where we're located at, and we're gonna change the game up. And people are gonna be asking me, who done your work for you? You know who done the work? I did, because I like to do my stuff myself. So we're gonna go ahead and conclude this video today. I got the wife here today, Kelly, and I'll get her on video. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna get her on video, because right now she doesn't want to be on a video, but when we start doing this project, she will be on video. She will be working. She will be putting the pieces on. She will be heat shrinking. She'll be using squeegees and learning how to vinyl wrap. So at the end of the day, that's all I got for you guys, man. So other than that, Saunders Lifestyle. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, smash what?
Smash it.
Smash that button. And we out.